Okay, I have the hangers complete. There is the finished product. There's a little bit of a step down from the top of this rubber mounted bracket, rubber bushed bracket, to the top of the muffler. I went by the gap here to get it even on both sides. And I'll let you in on a little secret. Instead of Loctite, get a little tube, and I don't know how much they are now. I have been using Elmer's wood glue as Loctite, as thread lock for decades. Back on my road racing machines, this is all I ever used. And the only thing to ever fall off of my road racing machines was me. So that's what the finished job looks like. I'll button it back up, put the bags on, start it up, and I'll put a decibel meter on it.